Well, hi everybody. Good Tuesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here, coming off of a very, very wet stretch of 5-6 days out there, and for some, might be another day of wet weather out there, especially towards southeast Nebraska. Another day of flash flood watches in place until 7 o'clock this evening for Lancaster and Gage County, and then points eastward from there for Cass, Odo, Johnson, Pawnee, Nemaha, and Richardson County in Nebraska. And again, those areas could see some heavier rainfall again for today. In fact, it's already falling there right now. Now, farther west, I am not expecting heavy rainfall in south central Nebraska. In fact, I thought it would be dry. Now, the rain chances have been brought back into the forecast for today for the Tri-Cities. I don't think it'll be heavy, though. It should be very light rain for today. And that's good news because we don't want to see things get worse. And I don't think that'll be the case. That said, there are still flood warnings that are out until later today for some. And for instance, that area of northwest Adams County, southwest Hall County, southeast Buffalo County, and northeast Kearney County in effect until 6 o'clock this evening. Those are the areas that had that heavy rainfall Sunday night, Monday morning, 4 to 8 inches of rainfall there. And there's a lot of standing water, and some of the streams and creeks that go through there are full. Roadways are still covered with water, and so that's why that flood warning is still in effect. The Platte River from Grand Island northeastward to the Clarks area there in Merritt County under a flood warning as well. And then the Turkey Creek in Howard County from Dannebrog northwestward towards the Sherman County line there, that is also seeing some high water, so a flood warning is also in effect for the Turkey Creek there. A lot of high water, some fields underwater in some of those locations. Tim Jones, meteorologist Tim Jones, he shared a picture on Twitter yesterday of that of the Turkey Creek west of Farwell that was seeing some high water there near the bridge that runs over along Highway 92 there west of Farwell, between Farwell and Ashton. So yeah, a lot of high water in a lot of places. How are things shaping up for today? Now, one thing I will tell you, in fact, before I even get to this, I'm going to show you what I'm seeing right now as of 7:08 this morning on radar. And the rain, it's built back into the area. It's affecting southeastern Nebraska, east central Nebraska, and even parts of south central Nebraska, north central Kansas. Not quite to the Tri-Cities yet. So Futurecast isn't quite as far west with that, and because it's not, it's probably not doing a good enough job to show that there's even a chance of rain for the Tri-Cities today. So basically, what I don't like is that Futurecast is not doing a very good job. I think there are rain chances basically for these locations right here, and cloud cover could actually go farther to the west here. So Futurecast not doing a great job of it, but we have a chance of rain today in the Tri-Cities. Much better chance to the east. And in fact, I'm really kind of shocked by this model just came out here just at the top of the hour, and I'm not liking what I'm seeing because I don't think it's doing a good enough job. I think these areas have a chance of some heavier rain near and east of Highway 81. Now, certainly a better chance of some thunderstorms and severe weather over western parts of Iowa into western parts of Missouri there. But I think this cloud cover could actually cover at least these areas right here. So we're going to be mostly cloudy in the Tri-Cities, and again, eastern Nebraska could be potentially seeing some heavier rainfall. The chance of rain still sticking around in eastern Nebraska, and even a small chance in central Nebraska. So again, as I kind of look at this new forecast model for the first time, I'm not liking what I'm seeing because I still think there's a chance of rain from about Highway 281 and eastward. But certainly chances get better the farther east you go through the nighttime hours. And the chance is still going to be around tomorrow. Again, I don't think it'll be heavy rainfall in central Nebraska. And even eastern Nebraska, I don't think we'll see heavy rainfall, but still could be a few light showers even in these locations here. Very, very light rain around the Tri-Cities area. But once again, as you go to the west, a little more sunshine expected in those locations through the day tomorrow. And again, do you see some of those showers tomorrow afternoon in those locations? Now, one thing that we're going to see as we get towards Wednesday night into Thursday, now we've been stuck here. These locations across the eastern part of the state have been stuck with this area of low pressure. What we have, though, we have a cold front off to our northwest that'll be approaching, and that's going to push eastward. That's going to finally push that system in eastern Nebraska out of here Thursday into Thursday night. But we're still going to keep around an additional chance of light rain for your day on Thursday before that clears out of here. Now for today, temperatures will struggle in eastern Nebraska, staying in the 60s for highs, 70s to the west where there will be more sunshine. But again, in this graphic kind of gives you a better idea of where the clouds will be holding kind of tough in central and eastern Nebraska for today. Overnight temperatures tonight dropping back into the upper 40s and 50s. Again, a little warmer to the east where the clouds will be thicker. Tomorrow, once again, you can kind of get an idea of who will have the better chance of cloud cover and a little bit of light rain, and who will see more sunshine. Out west, more sun, near 80 degrees there. Tri-City, still some clouds around, small chance of light rain, but we'll go with lower to mid 70s for highs. Some places still staying in the 60s out towards the east. Tomorrow night, mostly lows in the 50s to near 60 degrees. Now Thursday, the best chances of rain are going to be to the northwest and to the southeast. Very small chance around the Tri-City, so a little bit better chance of rain and clouds here, and then still a chance of rain in these locations out towards the west as that front starts to make its way eastward. So let's take a look at this 7-day forecast. Now again, for the next couple of days, I threw in chances of rain for the Tri-Cities. The best chance of the 3 days would be today at a 30% chance, but still a small chance Wednesday and Thursday. And again, temperatures do inch their way up as we maybe sneak in a little more sun. I think today might be the cloudiest of the next 3 days. Now, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I took out rain chances. We see a warming trend. That said, I hate to say it, but there are a few forecast models that still kind of flirt with a little bit of rain in the area Friday and then this weekend here. So while I have dry conditions, there's a chance that I may have to throw in some chances of rain down the road here. I hate to say that, I certainly do, but as of right now, the odds are that we would see pretty slim chances at this point here. But you'll notice the warming trend getting into early next week here. Monday's the first day of June. How about well into the 80s? And we're going to see more of those 80s as we push into next week here. June 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th there. A lot of 80s in store. Might see some 90s out towards the way. So a little more summer-like heat building in as we push into that first week of June. So there is your forecast. It's a little bit complicated. Like I said, I don't think we're going to see heavy rainfall in the coming days ahead, which is good. We need to dry things out. But nonetheless, some rain still in the area. Now, you folks in eastern Nebraska, if you're watching around the Lincoln-Beatrice area, even York and Heber and eastward, some pockets of heavier rainfall today. So you're not quite done with the heavier rainfall. But for most of us, I don't think we'll see the super heavy rainfalls that we've been seeing over the last 5 or 6 days. All right, with that, I'm going to let you all go. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. We'll talk to you all again on your Wednesday. Until then, take care. Enjoy your day. God bless. Bye.